Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon. Today we are going to talk about how to unlock iPad if you forgot the passcode. When you enter the wrong passcode multiple times, your iPad will become unavailable. If you remember your Apple ID password, you can unlock your iPad without computer. On your iPad Unavailable screen, tap the Forgot Passcode option in the bottom corner of the screen. Then tap Start iPad Reset to confirm. Enter your Apple ID password to sign out of your Apple ID on your device. Tap Erase iPad to permanently delete all of your data and settings. If you don't remember your Apple ID password, or your iPad doesn't have the Forgot Passcode option, you can use Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker to unlock your iPad. Click Unlock iOS screen. Click Start. If your iPad hasn't been connected to this computer before, you can follow the instructions to put your iPad into recovery mode. Check your iPad information, then click Download. After the firmware package is downloaded and verified, you can click Unlock to unlock your iPad. Once the unlocking process is complete, the passcode will be erased. Joyoshare has now launched its Black Friday sale with huge discounts and a buy one get one free offer. If you have used Find My, you can use iCloud to unlock your phone. Visit iCloud.com. Log in with your Apple ID. Click Find My. Select the phone you need to unlock and click Erase iPad. You can use iTunes or Finder to unlock your iPad. Put your iPad into recovery mode or DFU mode. Click on Restore iPad. After the restore process is complete, you can unlock your iPad.